In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime error. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix the phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime error, you need to re-verify your number with Apple servers. This often involves toggling the service off and on, signing out of and back into your Apple ID, and confirming your carrier's settings are correct. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. Now, once you're on the settings, you're going to go to the search bar at the bottom and you're going to type messages. Now you're going to click on the messages, the one that says app. You're going to click on that. Now you're going to scroll down until you see where it says iMessage and you're going to turn this off. Now you're going to go back again and you're going to search in the same search apps. You're going to search for FaceTime and you go into FaceTime. Now you scroll down until you see FaceTime and there's a button to toggle in front of it. You're going to toggle it off again. And now what you're going to do is you're going to turn off your device and then turn it back on again. Now once you turn it on, you're going to go back to settings again. You're going to go to the search and you're going to go to messages. And here you're going to turn it on. You're going to toggle it on. You're going to go to FaceTime again and you're going to toggle it on again and you're going to go back. Now you're going to have to wait for a few seconds and you're going to see that it's been activated. If not, you're going to go back to messages, and on the messages you're going to go to send and receive, which is under the iMessage toggle that you toggled off. You're going to go to send and receive, and here you should see the numbers or email addresses that you can receive from. You make sure those are correct. If not, at the bottom of the page you're going to see Apple account and you're going to click on your Apple ID account and it's going to open a dialog box for you to sign out, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to sign out and sign in again, and that should fix the error. Now that's how to fix the phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime error. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.